What if Moon collide with Earth? Did it destroy whole Earth or not? Let's observe that by throwing Moon on Earth. It is possible only when velocity of Moon becomes zero and it acts as an asteroid. Let's first imagine what will happen. Moon will collide with Earth and it will only destroy some part of Earth. Moon will collide with Earth and it will destroy half of the Earth. Moon will collide with Earth and it will destroy whole Earth. Choose above options. Now let's see. Since gravitation force between Moon and Earth is an attraction force, to keep Moon in its orbit it requires some velocity, which gives centrifugal force to Moon. This centrifugal force acts as a counterbalance and balance gravitational force. Let's zero the velocity of Moon. Now there is no counterbalance force to cancel gravitational force, due to which Moon starts moving toward Earth with acceleration g. When Moon will enter in the Earth atmosphere, its temperature will start increasing. Due to collision of Earth and Moon there is production of large amount of heat and debris. Also impact is so much that 80% of whole Earth's surface will destroyed. Rest 20% will be destroyed by the debris, as they become asteroid and again collide. After collision of Earth with Moon, the momentum of Moon, that is mv, transfers to Earth's momentum, due to which Earth starts moving with different velocity. Since we have not considered Sun here, so Earth will keep moving with that velocity in open space. Now let's see effect of time on Earth. After the collision, large amount of heat produces, which rises the Earth temperature to more than 1500 degrees centigrade. But with passage of time, Earth's surface starts cooling down year after year. In the end, Earth's temperature lowered down to 272 degrees centigrade minus.